This Diamond Realty and Associates property video is presented by Mindy Wardlaw. Revival Craftsman with impeccable details, through private gated 4-lot community, with no details spared. Heart pine floors, chef's dream island kitchen, with entertaining bar. Open floor plan with inviting den and formal dining, hearth or second dining area to welcome the party. Study west windows galore opening to covered and screened veranda with fireplace and outdoor kitchen. Fabulous pool and spa that highlights the oversized tree-lined backyard with lots of privacy. Owner's suite is magnificent with 2 large walk-in closets, seated dressing area and his and her vanities. Also hunting room, home theater, study, flex space or bedroom.Upstaris.